How to fix no sound problem in Windows 10. When I updated my high-definition audio device, my sound is completely gone from my laptop. You can see my sound was gone. Now I will show you how to fix this problem. Select Realtek High Definition Audio and click on Next. Once updated complete, restart your computer. After restart completed, check whether your sound is back. You can see my sound is back. Hello guys, my sound is back. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.